Welcome to Autoland, your ultimate hub for the next generation of motorcycles and innovation on wheels. If you love the fusion of power, technology, and style, hit that subscribe button and join us as we dive into the future of mobility. Imagine the open road stretching endlessly ahead, the wind whispering past you, and a silent yet powerful hum beneath your seat. This isn't just any motorcycle, it's the Honda Goldwing Electric Tricycle Camper 2026. A bold evolution of comfort touring and electric freedom. Honda has reimagined its legendary touring machine into something even more versatile. A three-wheeled electric beast built not just for the ride, but for the lifestyle that comes with it. At first glance, the 2026 Goldwing Electric Trike Camper looks like a vision straight from the future. Its aerodynamic shape has been enhanced with sleek LED light bars flowing across the front and rear. The trike stance gives it a stable, grounded presence, perfect for long-distance travel and high-speed cruising. The electric drivetrain sits low in the chassis, giving it a center of gravity that hugs the road while ensuring smooth handling around curves. The powertrain under this beauty is a next-generation dual-motor electric system, delivering around 180 horsepower, combined with instant torque distribution. Each rear wheel is powered independently, allowing superior traction and balance on various terrains. Honda's advanced regenerative braking system feeds power back to the batteries every time you slow down, extending the range and efficiency. With a massive battery pack offering nearly 400 kilometers, 250 miles, of range per charge, the Goldwing Trike makes sure you can go the distance, literally. Charging is another area where Honda steps into the future. The new ultra-fast charging port can replenish 80% of the battery in just 30 minutes. For overnight camping trips, the Trike also features a solar-assisted trickle charging system integrated into the camper roof, giving you extra range when parked under the sun. But what truly sets this Goldwing apart is its camper module, a compact, expandable living pod that redefines what a touring motorcycle can do. When parked, the rear section of the Trike transforms into a micro-camper setup with a retractable canopy, sleeping space for one or two, and modular compartments for cooking and storage. The lightweight composite materials keep it efficient while maintaining durability against weather and terrain. Honda has even included an independent power supply system that runs lights, fans, and mini appliances directly from the main battery, with optional solar panels for off-grid adventures. Inside the rider's cockpit, technology meets pure comfort. The digital dash features a massive 12-inch infotainment display with full navigation, smartphone integration, and real-time energy monitoring. A secondary 7-inch passenger display offers control over music, temperature, and lighting. The 2026 model introduces Honda RideSense AI, a smart assistant that analyzes terrain, adjusts suspension, and optimizes torque delivery automatically. It even learns your riding habits to personalize your journey over time. Riding comfort remains unmatched. With an adaptive suspension system that senses road conditions, you'll glide smoothly, whether you're crossing highways or winding mountain roads. The seat features dual-layer memory foam with heating and cooling options, while adjustable armrests and foot platforms provide long-haul support. Honda's commitment to luxury touring continues, but now with a futuristic electric heart. Safety, as always, plays a huge role. The Trike includes radar-based adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and collision avoidance sensors. The 360-degree camera system provides real-time visual feedback on the digital display, ensuring full awareness of your surroundings even when towing the camper setup. The lighting system adjusts automatically for visibility and power efficiency, giving you confidence both day and night. When you park at your destination, the transformation begins. With a few quick motions, the camper module unfolds, revealing a minimalist yet functional living zone. There's a collapsible bed, compact kitchenette, LED lighting, and even a foldable solar panel stand. It's freedom in its purest form. Ride all day, camp all night, all without burning a drop of fuel. The sound of silence is one of the biggest changes electric touring brings. Instead of roaring engines, you get a futuristic hum that enhances the serenity of the journey. Honda has added an optional heritage sound mode that can simulate the classic Goldwing engine tone through external speakers, offering nostalgia for those who missed the gasoline era. As for customization, the 2026 Goldwing Trike Camper offers plenty. You can choose from multiple color themes like Glacier Silver, Neo Blue Pearl, and Midnight Crimson. Accessories include advanced luggage systems, adaptive fog lamps, and Bluetooth helmet communication kits. Honda plans to release limited edition variants with extended range battery packs and smart camper upgrades. For riders who crave adventure without compromise, the Honda Goldwing Electric Tricycle Camper 2026 isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It represents the freedom to explore with responsibility, blending electric innovation, comfort, and sustainability. It invites you to take the open road and turn it into your home, wherever you go. The 2026 Goldwing Trike Camper isn't just for riders, it's for dreamers, explorers, and pioneers of a cleaner future. Whether you're traveling solo or with a partner, it's more than transportation, it's transformation. Thanks for watching Autoland, where we explore the machines shaping tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next deep dive into the vehicles redefining innovation. Ride electric, ride bold, and keep your passion charged.